This is for you, Dad. Episode 1, Spiritual. You prayed for them before they could talk. Before your child could say your name, you were already saying theirs. In prayer, in the quiet, in the dark. This episode is for you, Dad. The one who prays. You may not have a pulpit, you may not have a title, but every morning that you cover your family in prayer, you become the most powerful person in that home. Not because of what you earn, not because of what you own, because of what you carry on your knees. I need you to understand something. The prayers you prayed over your sleeping children, they did not disappear into the ceiling. They went somewhere. They landed somewhere. They built something invisible but unbreakable around your family. And your children, even the ones who do not know it yet, are walking in the protection of what you spoke over them. That is not small, Dad. That is everything. And maybe right now your faith is shaky. Maybe life has been hard enough that the prayers have slowed down. Maybe you have been so busy providing that you forgot to pray. I am not here to judge you. I am here to call you back. Because your family needs your prayers more than they need your perfection. They need the version of you that still believes. The version of you that gets on his knees and says, God, I cannot do this alone. Cover us. That version of you is the strongest version of you. You are not just a dad. You are a spiritual covering. You are a generational shield. You are a 7D father, and your spiritual dimension is your foundation. So tonight, before you sleep, say their names. Speak life over them. Cover them. Because you are the praying dad. And that prayer, it changes everything. Happy Father's Day. This one is for you.